Ready for the ultimate CPU showdown of 2025? Let's get into it. This year, the competition is fiercer than ever, with AMD, Intel, and Apple all bringing their A-game to the table. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone looking for the best performance, there's a lot to consider. So let's break it down and see which CPU might be the best fit for you. First up, AMD's Ryzen 8000 series with Zen 5 architecture. This new lineup promises to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible in terms of performance and efficiency. Expect increased IPC, better power efficiency, and multi-core performance. The Zen 5 architecture is designed to deliver a significant boost in instructions per cycle, making your applications run smoother and faster. Great for gaming and creative work. Whether you're rendering high-resolution videos or playing the latest AAA games, the Ryzen 8000 series has got you covered. With rumored AI integration, productivity's about to hit the stratosphere. Imagine having a CPU that can intelligently manage tasks and optimize performance in real time. Moving on to Intel's Meteor Lake. Intel has been a household name in the CPU market for decades, and their latest offering is no exception. The 14th Gen Core processors feature a 3D chiplet design and hybrid architecture, blending power-efficient and performance cores. This means you get the best of both worlds. High performance when you need it, and energy efficiency when you don't. Perfect for multitasking and heavy content creation. If you're someone who runs multiple applications simultaneously or works with demanding software, Meteor Lake is designed to handle it all with ease. Now let's talk Apple. The M4 or M5 chip promises to continue Apple's reign in power efficiency and GPU performance. Apple's silicon has been a game changer in the industry, and their latest chips are set to raise the bar even higher. With unified memory architecture, it's perfect for the Mac ecosystem. This design allows for faster data access and improved overall performance, making it ideal for creative professionals. So how do they stack up? Each of these CPUs has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice depends on your specific needs. AMD's Ryzen 8000 is a powerhouse for gamers and creators. Its multi-core performance and efficiency make it a top choice for those who need a versatile and powerful CPU. Intel's Meteor Lake is a multitasker's dream, but pricier. If you need a CPU that can handle a heavy workload without breaking a sweat, this might be the one for you. Apple's M4/M5 excels in efficiency and pro work, but lags in gaming. It's perfect for those deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem and who prioritize power efficiency and seamless performance. What's your pick? Drop a comment and let us know. We'd love to hear your thoughts on which CPU you think is the best for 2025. Whether you're Team AMD, Intel, or Apple, the future of computing looks incredibly exciting.